Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to 1 Minute School. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Flutter or disable on Android Studio. So let's do it. You can see that I'm on my Android Studio interface now. Now click on the file and we can see a drop down menu like this one. Now go to setting and click here on the plugin option. That's it. Now we can see here .Flutter and my another installed plugin. If you can't see here, just type on the search bar DART. Now we can see that here is Dart and Flutter. Now click on the Dart and you can see a setting icon here. Just click on the setting icon and you can see here that there is a disable option and uninstall option, so you can disable or uninstall here. Now do same for Flutter. Go to setting icon, here also disable and uninstall option. So I'm also a Flutter dev, so I'm not gonna uninstall it. So you can see the way how to disable or uninstall Flutter on Android Studio. This video is not gonna be how to remove Flutter from Windows. So if you wanna watch the video how to remove Flutter from Windows, so I'm gonna show you the next videos with cmd command. So thank you guys for watching these videos. Please press and hit on the subscribe button.